my name is Beka and I've been a Crunch member since 2015, but I didn't actually start training consistently until 2018. One of my favourite things about Crunch is the positive, friendly and welcoming vibe. Everyone greets you at the door when you walk in, and everyone's really passionate about what they do as well, so everyone's here to train hard and it's super motivating. I was definitely fearful being a female and training in the weight section. I think as a female we can feel sort of in the spotlight or uncomfortable at times, but what sort of made me overcome that fear was to realise that this gym is just as much mine as everyone else's. So my workout schedule at the moment is I like to train 5 to 6 times a week. At the moment I'm trying to lean out for summer, so I'm doing cardio in the morning, fasted, before breakfast, and then I'm doing weights in the afternoon just to kind of give my day high intensity, and I'm also keeping up my steps every day to 10,000. If I had any tips for my fellow Crunchies, it would be do this for you and prove to yourself that you can work hard and do anything you set your mind to do. My second tip would be live a life with love and you'll never work a day in your life. My third and last tip would be results take time and they require discipline and patience. You can create a healthy mind and body by practicing healthy habits and routines. Train your mind to think positively